In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell and withdraw from the Gemini Exchange. If you've held your crypto for a while, or if you just want to cash in on some recent profits and get some fiat back into your bank account, then I'll show you how to sell your crypto and withdraw back to your bank account from the Gemini Exchange. And for more information, or if you're looking for a full Gemini Exchange tutorial, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. And if you're not already signed up to Gemini, then I have a link in the summary below where you can get $10 of free Bitcoin. And there are a couple of different ways that you can sell your crypto from within Gemini. However, the most cost-effective way and to help reduce fees is by using a combination of their products, which are Gemini Exchange and Gemini Active Trader. And this is to show you the process of how to sell, and not how I can make X amount in trading, because I'm not a day trader. I personally hold my crypto for the long term. And in this example, I've got some Bitcoin, and I'm going to exchange or sell that for GBP. But the same process can be applied for any currency that you want to withdraw from here. And you can sell your crypto from the main exchange here. However, you will be paying at the current market rate. But what if you're not in an immediate rush and you want to get a better rate and potentially a better deal? Well, this is where you can use other order types to get the best rate by defining the price when you want to sell your crypto, and that's using something called a limit order. This can all be done over on Active Trader, and you can reach that by clicking on the link here stating that you're looking for other order types. Alternatively, you can head across to your account and from there select Gemini Active Trader. Then go back to the Gemini Exchange in the top left-hand side of your screen. So as you can see, we're now in Active Trader, where it'll give you some information with regards to each different type of market. Now the market that I need is Bitcoin with GBP, as I'm selling my Bitcoin for GBP. And once I select that, the rest of the screen automatically populates for information with regards to that market. So it shows me the last price, it gives me my bid and ask, the 24-hour change and range here, as well as some charts and graphs and information with regards to the order book. So we obviously first need to ensure that we're on the sell screen. And we're going to be using a limit order. Now under the price section here, this is what you'd like to sell your crypto at. So at the moment, the last price is automatically filled in. But if you'd rather sell at a potentially higher rate, you can enter this into the price field here, and then just simply wait for the market to reach your price. So in here, we've stated that we want to sell our Bitcoin when the price reaches £14,700. But we're yet to state the quantity that we want to sell. And I'd like to sell all of that. It shows you my subtotal, the fee, and the total in here, and then when you're happy, you can go ahead and sell. Now all you need to do is wait for the market to reach that price. If it doesn't, and the order remains open for a while, or if the price changes dramatically in the wrong direction, you can always cancel an open order and simply retry. Then once your order has been filled, we can go ahead and withdraw the fiat currency back to our bank account. So let's head back across to the other exchange now. So as you can see, I've now got my GBP appearing in my portfolio, but now I want to withdraw it. So if you click onto transfer in the top right hand side of the screen and choose to withdraw from Gemini. And from here you have two options. So that's either to withdraw fiat or crypto, depending on where you have an active balance. So if you still have your Bitcoin and you didn't sell it, this is where you can withdraw these to the safety of a wallet, such as the likes of a Ledger or a Trezor. And these are two wallets that I definitely recommend, and I'll pop links in the summary below for them. With an exchange, it's recommended that you withdraw your assets when you're not trading them, and across to the safety of a wallet. This is because you'll have access to your private keys, and an exchange with lots of funds on it is far more likely a target to get hacked. So if we want to withdraw crypto, we'll need to paste in the receive address into this section from our external wallet. And please ensure that if you're withdrawing Bitcoin, that you send to a Bitcoin address. And if you're sending Ethereum, it's an Ethereum address that you've selected, as if you select the incorrect type, you could potentially lose all your funds. and you'll need to enter the amount into here, and then go ahead and complete the withdrawal. And crypto withdrawal fees will all depend on the amount that you're withdrawing, and it's on a crypto by crypto basis. And wire transfers are also free. So let's take a look at withdrawing fiat currencies instead, as this is what we've sold our Bitcoin for. So I'm going to select GBP and continue. Then from here I can select the bank account that I've deposited from. I need to select the amount or click onto max. And then I complete my withdrawal. And the amount actually withdrew back to my account within just a couple of hours. So that concludes how you can sell and withdraw from Gemini. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.